thanks so much for joining me. I'm here to share a week-long special in my Ko-fi shop. So this is a 27-page collection and I am re-offering it at £1.50 for 27 pages. Available in A4, JPEG and PDF and in letter size JPEG and PDF. It was previously available in my shop at a higher price. I don't really do sales, so I'm twisting the words to say it's a week-long special. And on the 1st of November, this collection will be removed from my shop and will not be available ever again. I'm going to be deleting it. And this is the only Halloween sort of collection I'll ever create. Now, if you're a Ko-fi subscriber, I've uploaded this to the subscription site and you've got this 27-page collection absolutely free. Okay, just one other quick thing I want to mention before I go through this collection is if you're not a fan of Halloween, just look at it with a different set of spectacles. It's gothic, it's dark, it's grungy. So if you're doing a gothic themed journal, then this is perfect. And you can just omit the pages that have got kind of nods to Halloween. Doesn't say Halloween on it anywhere. There's a few pictures of witches, that's about it. So it's actually called The Haunted Manor. And that's this haunted house here. Okay, so this is the first page. Right, so we're going to go through really quickly. I'm not going to waffle about what you can do with it or any of that. I've done all of that before. Okay, so let's just quickly go through. This one I really like, I have to say. Okay. So like I say, it's not just Halloween theme. In my mind, it was more gothic theme. Okay. There are some spiders in here, so if you're scared of spiders, put your hands over your eyes. This is actually a photograph that I took in one of my local churchyards of some very old graves that were from the 1800s. Another one, and this one's like black lace, so you see what I mean about the gothic theme rather than Halloween. Love this lady. And quite grungy as well. This is about as grungy as I'll ever get. I don't do really grungy stuff. It's just not my thing. I'm not very good at it. But I thought I'd offer this as a week-long special before I delete it forever from my PC. Okay. So the link to my Ko-fi is in the description box below, and where you can go and make a purchase and download this. Make sure you download anything you purchase from me, make sure you download it within 1 week. Because then if you lose your files or you've lost your email, it's harder for me to trace. So I ask people to download within 1 week. There we go. Apothecary. I can never say that word. And then we've got some embellishments. Okay, so here we've got some shaped journal cards, for example. Okay. And then some smaller ones. I can't seem to pick that up, which are lovely. And then we've got some mini tags. I like the smaller tags. I think the larger tags you can just make yourself out of the papers, but smaller ones you need the images physically shrinking down by me on my system. Otherwise, you know, they look out of proportion. This is a trifold one. Okay, so you could turn that over and print, for example, the apothecary dictionary page on the back. That would be cool. Then we've got the obligatory envelopes. And then here we've got some, these are kind of, I suppose, Halloween-y theme with the pumpkins and the pictures of witches. But, you know, you could omit that page and make yourself a gothic themed journal or use it within a gothic themed journal. So I hope you like that collection. 1 week special at £1.50. Don't forget, if you're a Ko-fi subscriber, you're getting it absolutely free. So the links to my Ko-fi are in the description box below. 27 pages of budget-friendly loveliness. I hope that you can make use of this before it is deleted forever, never to be seen again. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.